Push your hair back. Ready for makeup. Now that I got your attention, by the way, I feel like my hair is just getting longer and longer. I cannot wait to say goodbye to these headbands. I'm so over not being fully halfway like ready. So you guys get ready, because when my hair is longer and when I can put in the ponytail, my hair will be a little bit more appropriate. But right now, I call this like the drag ugly stage. Like, this is where it's like we look just look ugly, and then as we're getting the makeup on, we're getting ready for the hair. It's a whole process. Trust me, it's a whole process. You guys, we're gonna do a makeup look today. Duh. But today's makeup look is gonna be something that I actually love doing. Is smoky eyes. And we're gonna be playing with some new products into the studio from Huda Beauty, and I'm so excited because I love browns and I love chocolate colors, black colors, and just I'm really feeling like I might even do like a smoky eye with a dark black lip. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I've been on the nude game for a while, but now I'm feeling kind of dark and mysterious and sexy. So before we start, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm just so thankful to be in front of you guys right now to do this video. I'm so excited. Let's get this going. Just shut me up already. So right now, you guys, in the studio, we do have 3 new palettes from Huda Beauty. Now, you guys know I love Huda Beauty. Now, Huda Beauty sent over this full collection. I don't know what it's called. Maybe the collection's called Brown, because they're all called brown. I went ahead and I saw the visuals on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, this is so hot. Like, I am such a big fan and I love cheetah. Like, cheetah print is so sexy. I have numerous costumes in cheetah print, and I love cheetah print. So I was actually very excited to see this full-blown collection from Huda Beauty called Brown. They came out with 3 miniature palettes that all resemble one thing, is brown. I am already so obsessed with this already. I mean, I love this kind of vibe. The cheetah vibe is really hot. I mean, honestly, I feel like this is, honestly, it's cheetah. It's been done so many times, but I think for this collection, this is a cute little moment to remind us that how much we love cheetah, and I love that. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what the whole cheetah vibe is going. So first, they do have the caramel. Second, they do have the full chocolate, which, by the way, I kind of peeped at already and I kind of want to see what it looks like on my eyes. And then last but not least, they have the toffee palette, which, by the way, but just by going by the names, you kind of know and feel the whole, like, how dark and light they are. So we're gonna go ahead and open both of all 3 of them, and I'm just gonna show you guys. I kind of know which palette I'm gonna use because I really want dark eyes today. This is the toffee palette. So inside, these shades are a little lighter, very friendly wear. I mean, honestly, I've seen shades like this many before. It's not something new, but if you guys don't have shades like that, or you guys don't have a miniature 9 palette, I mean, these could work out for you. But I feel like these are shades that will, you know, definitely add to the collection. This is gonna be the shade that I want to play with today. Like, I'm really like just feeling this vibe. Like, those top colors, like I'm very shook by those. I actually want to play with those really bad. And then last but not least, we do have the caramel collection. I might be dipping into this one as well. I do love these warm orangey, just really pretty colors. Like, these colors, you know, honestly, this and the brown has got to be like my favorite. Like, I actually really do love these together. Okay, so let's just imagine in a perfect world, like, this was a palette altogether. Same size. Like, that's a sexy fucking palette. Like, I'm actually not mad about it. Like, that's really, really gorge. So, yeah, I can definitely do without the toffee. I think the toffee is cute, but it's kind of like, almost kind of like basic, you know? Like, this is kind of like a basic eye. Like, I don't feel it. This is, if anyone wears this, I don't feel like it's gonna be like, oh my god, you know, like, oh my god, you're like gorge. I don't think so. But these, I feel like, are gonna be hot. So I will definitely be playing with these today. Before we start getting this on, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. And if you guys have not noticed yet, I did chose to do blonde brows because I feel like today's look is gonna be really dark, and I think blonde and dark smoky eyes are really, really sexy. So I am gonna go ahead and get some of this P.LOUISE primer on my sponge, like I always do. Oh my god, you guys, this is so crazy because the recent video where I just released on RuPaul's Drag Race, the entire time I was saying Rose, I really meant Rose, and I in the back of my mind, I did know her name was Rose, but for some reason, just looking at R-O-S-E, you think of saying Rose. So it's no tea, no shade. I know the internet right now is going nuts about it, saying, oh my god, Kimora doesn't remember rosé and all these things. Let me clarify that. It is what it is, girl. Y'all can entertain that as much as you guys want. I actually would love to work with her one day and hope to run into her because I think she's incredible. But I'm just saying, it's just one of those grammar issues that I have when it comes to reading. I tend to kind of, you know, say different words. So, but I know the whole internet is just like, oh my God, like Kimora, like I cannot believe you pronounced her name wrong. Like that's so fucked up. I mean, girl, shut the fuck up. Like how many times have y'all pronounced names fucking wrong? Like people swear, girl. Now that we clarified all that up, we got rid of that energy because I know a lot of people that are saying that are probably gonna view this video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get this on. I'm really honestly wanting to do like a very smoky dark eye. Like I'm talking about black liner, like all up in that shit. All right, guys, so right now, go ahead and get a little closer and let's get into this eye. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and I don't think the shades have names. Like can we just confirm that there are no names on the back? Like there's no names. I don't think there are names. So the collection is called Brown Obsessions in the most smallest font you can think of. But brown will be the collection. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start getting these matte shades on, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a liner on the bottom, I'm gonna bring the liner up, and I'll buff it out, and I'll apply some shimmer shadows, and then hopefully it's gonna be dark enough for me to like. Let's just go ahead and just get all up in this crevices. I always like to start like right here by my brow bone, because it is kind of like that little area where it's like, oh, so mysterious. I love to kind of like just really get in here first. See, like that already, it's just so like, oh. But taking that brush, let's go ahead and just really get that color. And honestly, this color is so sexy already. Like I'm actually not mad. So what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm just starting to mix all the mattes. Okay, I'm getting all the mattes and I'm just gonna get it kind of like that. Ooh, that is sexy. Wow. That's gorge. Okay. I'm kind of not trying to go for such a clean, executed eye. I kind of want to do something very just almost, I want to say like you don't really try too hard. Like it's just kind of like not trying, you know? Getting the colors on, very fashion. Just kind of blend the shades together and then we can kind of see where it goes from there. I'm already loving all of this. Wow. The shade is gorge. So right now, you guys, I basically only use this shade and then this shade. And I'm kind of working my way kind of down into the eye. I mean, I know this is the first time I'm trying this palette, but I've dealt with Huda Beauty shadows before and I'm not disappointed by them. There's just some shadows that I just don't really, like I don't really understand. Like they are really known for doing these shadows with like jellies and shit. Remember, I think there was a video I just did when it came to that. And I was like, why is this shadow in here? Like it's so weird. Their shade ranges are really good. Like I'm actually not really mad about this. Like I would actually just wear this, buff it out on the bottom with some color and then just put a lash on. But we're not gonna stop there, right? We're makeup artists. Ooh, I am very obsessed with this shade. And I'm still keeping the same brush. I feel like I will be using this brush for my whole entire top lid. Ooh. It's gonna get really dark, you guys. Like, I'm talking about like dark. And I kind of start opposite. A lot of people get on their darks first and then they bring in the lighter colors, but I start with my lighter colors. Like, do you guys do that? Like right now, like if you guys did a smoky eye, what would you guys start with first? Would you guys start with black first or brown or the lightest shade? I always start with the lightest shade. I find that it's a little easier to kind of add darker versus adding light onto dark. You guys get what I'm saying? I just feel like it's a little easier. So that being said, I changed my brush up a little bit. This one does have product on it prior, but it's kind of like the same vibe. So I'm just gonna keep it and just really, I'm gonna carve this out a little bit. You know what? I love a smoky dark eye with wet hair, so I might even do wet hair today. So I'm just carving out my crease really tight, not really caring where the shadow is kind of going because we're trying to do like this whole like, oh, I'm not trying kind of look. Now I'm gonna jump into this shade right here, and then when I get the liner on the bottom, that's where I'm gonna go in with the shimmers. I really want to celebrate these shimmers. I feel like shimmers and dark, smoky, it just looks really good. Ooh, look at that. I do love this ashy shade. It's almost like you can use the color to substitute for black. For anyone that doesn't really want to use black, you know, I know sometimes people like when they see black shadow, it's really scary. Like I understand that because I used to be like that. I feel like there's many ways to get around a really smoky dark eye without using black. Now, do I love black? Abso-fucking-lutely. Like, are you kidding me? Okay, so we kind of have like this base going on. We kind of have like that the shape that's going on. Like I really do like it. Now, if I do know that that I'm gonna put black and I know that I'm going to use black, I always stop right here because I know it's really tempting right now to kind of dip into a black shadow and go right in, but I don't. I take one of my favorite liners in the world. This is Makeup by Mario. This is the black liner in shade Super Black. And by the way, this is like one of my favorite black eyeliners in the world. Like, it's just one of the best liners ever. Mario, he is fantastic for this. This black is just incredible and it's one of my favorite, and I just absolutely need like infinite. And one thing about this liner is like it doesn't make your eye watery. It doesn't make it kind of weird. I don't know. And then when you do get teary eye, it doesn't move. At least for me. We're gonna go ahead and put it on right now. And it's like literally the blackest of the blackest. Woo! Now, when it comes to this liner, I like to kind of wrap it in like that. It really does help the smoky eye happen when you bring that liner up. Because this way, when you do the liner, you don't really have to dip into black so much. I want it thicker. Now, it's gonna change, okay? So we're gonna just do step by step. So do the same thing on this side. I mean, I know this is not so neat because look at this area right here. But you're gonna go back, we're gonna smudge it. Mario's liners are so easy to smudge and really create like that perfect, like I'm not trying hard kind of eye. So I always try to take it into the lash line. We're gonna cover this with the liner, but I just kind of wanna start off right here. So it's just like that. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get a little darker. Ooh. You guys can see that coming up. Wow, just like so. All right, so now that we have all that, and you guys can kind of get the feel on how dark this is gonna be. Jumping into the caramel palette, we're gonna go ahead and play with colors like so. We're gonna pick all the darkest shades. So I'm gonna pick this color, and then we're also gonna play with some of these really, really pretty red, darker shades, because I really want it to be just smoky and sexy and just very that bitch. So taking my brush, we're gonna go ahead and just apply right on top. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, this is so sexy already. I already can see it where it's going. Oh my God, look at that. And you really just want to blend and blend. And you want to just kind of really, you know, treat that liner almost like a primer. Wow, look at that. That went on like butter. We're just gonna blur out the black shade, or the liner I mean. Look at that. And you just really want to take your time and blend it. You don't really want to rush this because we're dealing with color. And one, I don't even have, oh God, I don't even have any powder to kind of like save my life on my cheeks, but A+ for the no fallout. I love a palette that does not have fallout. Wow, look at that. Now change of brush. Oh, speaking of Huda Beauty, this is a Huda Beauty brush as well. I'm gonna take this red shade and let's go ahead and apply it on the bottom and really blend out that liner. We're gonna make that black disappear. Ooh, wow. I'm like actually very obsessed. Look how fucking gorgeous that is. This combination is, wow. I'm actually very shook. I'm just so shook by the shade. It's so warm and sultry and not ashy. Like a lot of palettes are very ashy. And I feel like this palette is so sexy. This is like something I would wear like all the time. We're taking that same shade. I'm just kind of really blurring out the bottom. Oh, I love it. I really like this chocolate color. Oh God, it's so fucking pretty. Wow. It's the blonde brow for me. Like that's what I feel like it's making it very fierce. Like that brawn-ish. It's just so like, I feel like it's kind of like very high fashion. I'm gonna jump into this really auburn color. I'm just gonna really blend it into the brow to kind of give it like that. Oh, look at him, high fashion. Wow. Oh my God, I don't even want to add black. Like I'm really happy like there's no black, because I would have like definitely dipped my brush into the black. All right, you guys, so now what I'm gonna do is take a clean brush. I'm gonna use these really, really warm oranges. Like I am probably gonna use this one right here. And we're gonna just kind of dip a little bit. What this is gonna do is just gonna really warm up the edges a little bit. I want you guys to do this all the time when it comes to like doing smoky shades. Pick a really warm orange, almost like a blush color, and I want you guys to just take it and just blend out the edges because it does warm up the eye that you're making, so it doesn't look all like ashy. See that? It's just like, oh, okay. My description is like, oh. Now last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and do one little liner, that liner on the bottom like that. How's that for a dark eye, honey? I am so fucking not mad about it. All right, you guys, so we just completed the eye. Now all I need to do is put on some lashes, figure out what lip I'm gonna wear, and then my hair. So I will be right back and show you guys the final full smoky eye Huda Beauty brown collection look. You guys, I'm feeling so dark. Like this. Wow. You guys, we fucking did it. Now, the hair isn't what I expected. I think because I have like so much hairspray in it and the edges, it's just so, but y'all, listen, y'all get the point, okay? You guys get the point. We did it, you guys. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Honestly, like, I'm so obsessed with this palette. Like, honestly, like this, I feel like we need this. I mean, I know there's a lot of browns. I know there's a lot of palettes with these brown colors and smoky things in there. But I feel like for a small palette with 9 shadows that for sure there's a smoky eye that you would like, I think this palette's pretty worth it. Like, I really, really do. And it, honestly, like, if you guys can have a tiny little palette, you guys can travel and you guys can go, like, this is it. Now, do I think y'all need all 3? I don't think you guys need all 3. I mean, if you guys want to get all 3, I mean, that's sickening, but I don't feel like you guys need all 3. I feel like this is like top prior 1, prior 2, and then prior 3. I feel like the toffee is cute, but it's kind of like a basic girl. This is kind of like a semi-basic girl, and this is like a fierce girl. Like, I truly think these palettes are pretty dope. So shout out to Huda Beauty for sending those over. Thank you so much for kind of giving me a whole like new facelift with brown shadows. Like, I mean, I know I wear browns, but it's almost like I see the same browns all the time, and I haven't created an eye like this in a long time. I'm feeling very, very, very dark. I don't know if it's like the lipstick or the wet hair or what's going on, but I feel like a whole different person. Like, it's just kind of crazy. Thank you guys so much. What do you guys think about the video today? Like, in the comments below, let me know what you guys think. Is there something that you guys wished I touched? Is there something that you guys wish I did? I know I am getting a lot of messages about me completing the full look on camera. There are reasons why I don't create the full look on camera, but if you guys would like me to do a from like start to finish on how I really get into drag, let me know. And also, I know a lot of people have been requesting on how I lay my hair down. Today is not the best lay that I do, and I'm actually known for laying my lace down. I just did it so freaking fast today. Let me know if you guys would like to see a hair tutorial. Other than that, you guys, I had so much fun. Thank you so much for viewing this channel. I love you. You guys already fucking know that. So I'm gonna go take this wig off because this wig is just like literally wet on my dress. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.